Locations impacted include Wheeling, Mountain. Weather Bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over McDonald, or 8 miles northwest of Canonsburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, McKeesport, West Mifflin, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, Scott Township, Wilkinsburg, Whitehall, Robinson Township, Munhall, Brentwood, Swissvale, Dormant and Castle Shannon. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Allegheny and Washington. Weather Bulletin.